Hello, my dear boys. All of you are welcome to my online class. This is your physics teacher, Shajib Bishas. Hope all of you are well by the grace of our Almighty. Today we will discuss on chapter 9, and the name of our chapter is Reflection of Light, and today's our topics is creative question solution. Today we will try to solve a creative question. Okay, so let's see the today's creative question. So this is our today's creative question. Here you can see our stem. Here we have given a lens. This lens is called convex lens. Okay, and here we have given the distance of 2f, and all the distance are measured from optical center. Here O is the optical center. Okay, here O is the optical center, and L prime is our convex lens. F is the principal focus, and this is the point 2f, and we are given the distance of 2f from optical center is 40 centimeter. Okay, and the questions are: question A, what is called optical center? Okay, question B, in the evening why the peace covered road are seen like water? Explain. Okay. Question number C, determine the power of the given lens. Okay, so we need to determine the power of the given lens. Okay, and the last question, question number D, is what type of defect of vision can be remedied by the given lens? Explained by drawing ray diagram. Okay, so we know that we have two type of defect of vision. One is myopia or short sight, and another is hypermetropia or long sight. Okay, so here we need to describe with a ray diagram that what type of defect of vision can be remedied by the given lens. Okay, so we need to draw a accurate ray diagram, and we will try to use in our exam script pencil, scale and other necessary material for drawing this type of figure. Here I will draw the figure by freehand, but you should try to draw this type of, you should try to practice this type of figure by using pencil, scale and other necessary material. Okay, so this is our today's creative question. Let's solve part by part. So our first question is, what is called optical center? Okay, the answer is the point on the principal axis inside a lens through which if a ray of light is passed, then due to refraction, if the ray emerges from the other surface being parallel to the incident ray, then it is called optical center. Okay, so according to the figure, the point O is our optical center. Okay, I'm repeating again. The point on the principal axis inside a lens through which if a ray of light is passed, then due to refraction, if the ray emerges from the other surface being parallel to the incident ray, then it is called optical center. Okay, so this is our answer for question number A. Our question B is, in the evening, why the peas-covered road are seen like water? Explain. Okay, so the explanation is, we know that during summer the layers of air adjacent to the road remains very hot. As a result, lower layers become hot and lighter, but the upper layers are comparatively colder and denser. The rays of light coming from the sky and distant objects enter continuously into rarer medium from denser medium. Okay, so as a result, the refracted ray continues to go away from the normal. In a certain moment, the ray of light incidents on a layer at an angle which is greater than critical angle, and total internal reflection occurs. So, as we are accustomed to watching the image of sky on water, therefore the image of the sky due to the total internal reflections makes the road appear to us to be wet. Okay, so this is our answer for question number B. In our question number C, we need to determine the power of the given lens. Okay, here we see that given that 2f equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, here we need to determine it as meter. Okay, here 2f equal to 40 centimeter equal to 0.4 meter. So f is 0.4 divided by 2 or 0.2 meter. Okay, so the formula of power is, we know the formula of power is P equal to 1 by F. You must remember that the F must be in meter unit. Okay, so 1 by 0.2 and the result is 5 diopter. Okay, we know that the unit of power of lens is diopter. So the power of given lens is 5 diopter. Okay, so this is our answer for question number C. So our question number D is, What type of defect of vision can be remedied by the above or given lens? In our STEM, we see that our given lens is convex lens. Okay, so naturally we know that in the lens given in the STEM is convex lens. We know that hypermetropia, for reducing hypermetropia we use convex lens. And so what is hypermetropia? Hypermetropia, in a word, hypermetropia means long sight. So a person, this type of defect person cannot see object for least distinct point. We know that for a normal eye the least distinct point is 25 centimeter. In our figure A, we see that the light ray comes from the least distance point, but the rays does not meet at retina. So this type of defect person cannot see an object from least distance point. And when an eye can see distinct object but cannot see near objects, then this defect is called hypermetropia. Generally, this defect is seen in older persons. This defect occurs because of the following two reasons. Reason 1: if the power of convergence of the eye lens decreases or the focal length increases. And the second cause is if the radius of the eyeball decreases for any reason. Okay, for this reason light rays coming from a distant object can make an image of the retina, but rays coming from the near point after refraction through the eye lens converts to a point F behind the retina are. You can see this phenomena at figure A. For this reason, the eye cannot see the near object clearly. Then the least distinct point of this type of person becomes O prime. Okay, and that is seen at figure B. And in figure C, we use a convex lens to remedy this type of problem. Okay, a spectacle of a convex lens is used to rectify this defect. So rays coming from the near object will refract two times, one time through the lens of spectacles and another time through the eye lens. The focal length will decrease and the rays will converge as needed to form an image on the retina R, as given our figure C. So this is our answer for question number D. Okay, so this is our answer for question number D, and we will try to practice this type of figure by using pencil and other necessary materials. Okay, and this is the solution for another creative question. You should practice more and more for exam. This is a very important chapter for upcoming SSC examination. Okay, almost all boards are trying to set one question from this chapter. Okay, so this is all from today. In our next class, we will try to discuss another chapter. So until then, thank you, boys.